Hello, kindergarten friends. Today for math, we're going to be playing a game called Roll and Add. And to do so, I found 2 dice out of a board game my family has. So what I did, because we only need 5 on each dice, and this was a 6-sided dice, was I took some painter's tape and covered the 6. So when I see blue, it means 0. So I've got my 1 side, my 2 side, my 3 side, my 4 side, my 5 side, and then my 0 side. If you do not have dice for a game at home, I know my Chutes and Ladders game has a spinner that's 1 through 6. You could use a spinner and spin it twice and just make a little piece of paper or post it over the 6 reminding you that that's a 0, because the biggest numbers we want will be 5. If you have 1 dice, you can just roll it twice. If you have 1 spinner, you just spin it twice. I have 2 dice, so I will be rolling them once, both dice 1 time. And what I'm going to be doing is adding the 2 numbers I roll together. So I am going to roll, and I got a 1 and a 0. So I would like you to have a pad of paper as you're playing this game and write down the equation with the plus symbol and the equal symbol and the answer. So I will go ahead and write 1 plus 0 equals, what does it equal? 1. Then I'm going to roll my 2 dice again. This time I got a 5 and a 4. So I'm going to write my full equation out. 5 plus 4 equals. Now when I'm adding, I like to say the bigger number first and add on the smaller number. So I will say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I would roll again. I rolled a 4 and a 1. So I am going to write, I'll write it in the order that my dice are because it can go either way. 1 plus 4 equals, and again, a little trick to get me to the answer quickly is I like to say the bigger number first and count up the smaller number. So I would say 4, 5. I would like you to play this game either rolling 2 dice, writing the equation and solving, 1 dice, write the number, roll again, write the number, bigger number 3, 4, or you can do the same if you just have a single spinner. Spin, write the number, plus spin, write the number, equals, bigger number first, and then count up. I'm going to challenge you for this activity to do 15 equations. 15 equations with roll and add. Have fun, friends.